I cannot tell you how nice it is to be back right here with you guys. What's up? It's it, man. It's the Jellybean, and I'm going to meet my twin. And I know how weird that sounds, but yeah, it's not. Let me just put this out. It's not a real twin. So, on one of my videos, I posted up a comment. I mean, somebody posted up a comment, and they said, "Hey, I didn't know that you lived in Pembroke Pines." And I'm like, "Yo, what up? I do." And he's like, "Yo, I live in Miami Lakes. We literally have the same car, same year, same color, you know, black rims." He doesn't have a spoiler, and he also has a Honda motorcycle, and he has a golden retriever. I said, "Yo, we're twinning, hard as hell right now, ballin'." And now I'm going to meet him. If you don't know who he is, on Instagram, his name is @Chris DeMarco. That's CHRIS_DIMARCO. Chris DeMarco. I'll put it in the video. But quick story. I don't want to get sidetracked. So today I was going to, I wasn't going to street band rehearsal, but today I had street band rehearsal, and before I went to street band rehearsal, I had to go to Target so I can get some clear paper protectors. So I go in Target, and I have this freaking umbrella right here, right? Let me turn it. This one, right? So it's like, it's raining, we're getting dumped on, and I'm like, man, I really don't feel like, you know, using this umbrella to go to Target. I think I'll just man up, and I'll just walk to Target in the rain and get wet. But then I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna take this umbrella, I'm gonna man up, and I'm gonna go walk to Target with this umbrella, even though it's like halfway busted. So then, as soon as I walk out the car, I look up, and immediately to my left, like across the parking lot, there's this guy, and he has the exact same umbrella, and we just make eye contact, and I look at him, and I put my hands up like, "Hey, it's that boy," and he looks at me, and it was like the best bro moment of all time. So yeah, I hope that I beat Chris. I hope that I beat him over to this parking garage. Oh man, but like, guys, how are you? We're almost at a freaking 100 subs. We're at when I checked today, we're at 98. But like, damn, we're almost at 100 subs, and it's like, you know, okay, he's not here yet, which means I beat him. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so look, this is the vision. White fog lights, all right? And that person down there is totally looking at me. Slowly backs away. You never saw anything. What up? Yeah, that's him. Oh my god, his Altima looks so nice. Oh my god, don't tease me, baby. Your boy Chris.
That's good.
That's good. I had a feeling. What's good?
What are you guys doing?
We're just twins. I don't know.
You guys are just meeting up?
Yeah.
Supposed to be a car meet?
I don't know.
Coming up here to take some pictures, but there's no light. Oh, are you recording right now? Oh.
Oh, hold up. Oh my god. Give me all of your love juice. That's good, man. Is it a 3?
Nah, it's a 2.
It sounds like a 3. Good god. You want to do a rep battle? Alrighty, so we met with Chris. I got some really nice footage, and I told him let's just ride around for a bit, you know. We did a lot of stuff like off camera, like off helmet and stuff. And he's cool, man. You know, a few people thought he was fake, and like, no, this is a real person with a real Instagram account. So that's it. I met my twin. He has a freaking nice car. You'll see plenty of pictures, videos, and whatnot. And now I'm just gonna follow him. We're gonna drive around for a bit. Oh my god, those cracks, man. Chris, you need to stop. You're making me wet. You're making me wet, sweetie. I'm kidding. You what, mate?
Mine's louder.
No idea yet. It's a 2.5, this is a 3.5.
I'm the winner!
I don't really know where we're going, but you know, we're riding. Having a good old time. Yeah. Oh, there was?
Yeah, that's why I didn't hit it too hard, bro.
There was one behind us?
No, not behind us. Like, let's say we were there and we were making a left, the cop was there at the light.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God.
Like, when I saw him, like, whoa, get off, and I was just like, giving a little bit.
It's so cool, man. I've never met an Altima just in my life. This feels like an actual car meet. I was like nerding out. Well, I was trying to retain my nerdiness. I'm sorry, Chris, I did not unleash my full potential on you, but I promise I will.